Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, this is my actually first video on Fortnite and my first video on this account. So we will be telling you some tips and tricks in Fortnite and how to do them. And this should be for beginners, and anyone who just needs tricks in general. So the first trick is you always gotta like surprise your opponents. So you guys can see the gameplay in the back here. You've got to try like surprise your opponents, and if you don't surprise your opponents, that'll just make them just know that you're there, and then they can easily kill you. But I'm gonna introduce my two other friends that are in this video with me. So first we have Gorilla Gaming. What is your name? What's your real name?
My name's Ethan. I'm like the class clown, and shit, I love Fortnite.
Okay, Ollie, what about you?
We might got a better you though.
Shut up.
This is the montage that Ollie got clipped. Well, just
Well, I'll
wrecked.
clip you.
I will see.
Okay guys, they've been introduced now. Well, they haven't really been, but that is all you guys are gonna hear here. But if you don't know me, my main channel is No Game TZZ, and I will and I'm kind of funny. Well, this channel is gonna be really funny because yeah, or it could be like mad or something. Rage quit. I don't know. But that first tip is surprise people. Next tip is edit fast. Whenever you're far away from people, what you're gonna want to do is like a single shot like that. Don't like just keep doing it because that wastes ammo. Oh, get trick shotted, bro.
Then goddamn kill me, Luke.
So what you're gonna want to do if you guys?
Can I tell them something?
Okay, but don't make it like anything bad, bro.
Right. They heard the fart. That was my fart. Oh!
Okay, so the next tip is that.
That's how you surprise your enemies.
Yeah, that's why you surprise your enemies, because you gotta like jump down on them, do whatever you want, just a surprise
I
attack
know
them.
scope, dude, bro.
There you go, that's surprise attack in action, bro. So next one.
So basically, you guys are gonna see all the stuff in action. You know?
Yeah, you're gonna see all the stuff in action in the gameplay in the back, and
even if we're explaining, we could be doing the same thing.
yeah, we could be doing it, or we could just be fighting in the background. So yeah.
Or I could hear me and argue, oh, no way, I hit that.
Next tip is if you want to level up really fast, play the public servers or normal or just private servers with your friends.
Or if you want to be just grinding, do your weekly challenges.
Yeah, do your weekly challenges and play the pit if you really want to level up fast.
And look on YouTube for XP glitches, because they can help all the time.
Okay, next
and if
tip.
they're slow, doesn't matter.
Okay,
Still
next
XP.
tip. Use XP maps to level up as well. This is mostly like XP related stuff. But yeah, it's still going to be a good video if you really want to level up and get Spider-Gwen this season. She looks sick. Not with the unmasked version. She has a bigger head. So yeah, if you really like the one with the head, I think you are crazy. Just take that as a note, and just watch my tutorials if you want.
Get some
Okay.
help. I'm joking.
Yeah, you better be, bro. So
Yeah.
next thing, Ollie, do you have any tips to say to these people?
If you want to get XP, tell your friends.
Yeah, kill your friends in the pit. It gives you like 5,000 XP every time you do this. Because it gives you, this is like a really good map to get XP. And also every 15 minutes it gives you XP. So that is the next.
This is a good practice map if you only care about the skills.
This is a good practice map and a good leveling up map. Because if you see just to my right in the gameplay, I just got 3,000 XP for killing Gorilla Gaming.
Yep.
So yeah.
Because I suck at this game. And
By the
I
way, do not mind my username. My username should not be recognized. It is Banana Stripper, by the way, but please do not make fun of that because that is just my name, and I'm a one and only.
That I put that there.
Yeah, I put that there. But yeah. Anyway, in 2 weeks I'll be changing it, so please don't be trying to add it or anyone in this video. So
if you wanna
yeah.
add me, that's okay.
Yeah, if you wanna add him, that's okay. I don't know if WeMac wants to get added. Do you? Okay, guys, don't add WeMac or you will be blocked from my YouTube videos.
Wee little buddy. From
So yeah.
Scotland, like the rest of us.
So next tip is whenever you're up high with a sniper or something, what you're gonna want to do is try to snipe their head. Either way, their head would instantly kill them. So that leads us to one of the next tips.
That's where the brain is.
Whenever you're in a game, what you're gonna want to do. Wait, can I demonstrate on you, Ethan?
Yeah.
Just come down here. Okay, if someone's just standing still and you wanna like quickly like do something, run into them and slide. It hits them back. So now, what else?
Thanks, WeMac.
Anyone got more tips?
I do.
Okay, what's your tip?
If you see an enemy far shooting at someone, you wanna go from the behind and one pump them.
Just like that. Just like that.
Basically,
That's just
you
a
wanna
demonstration, Ollie. You gotta demonstrate all of the tips we're talking about. Okay, next tip is that you need to have a good combo. A good combo, it will make you more motivated. Like for example, if you use a girl skin, you might want to see your bum. So yeah, that will motivate you. Especially Corey. My friend Corey loves this girl's bum. So yes, I don't think wear like Chun-Li or something if you really want that. Yeah, these men go crazy about Chun-Li, mate. So yeah.
You don't want to be Cypher PK with his problems with
See, they all want Chun-Li super bad, so yeah. So that will...
Oh my god, that's what WeMac wants.
Now, for the rest of these...
That's how you surprise your enemies again?
Yep. For the rest of these 4 minutes, I'm just going to be doing gameplay. And, well, my friend's objective will be trying to not swear. That is their objective for this whole entire...
Especially me.
Yeah, especially him. He swears quite a lot, guys. So, if you are like under the age of 5, I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch this channel because there's a lot of swearing. Yeah, but we'll try not to swear. But if there is a swear, don't let your parents hear if you're under the age of 5 or something.
Yeah, if you actually think it's a joke, then I'm gonna say one. But you actually thought so. And I'm also gonna probably be very embarrassing of myself, so yeah. Be mean in the comments, right? And then you'll see the swearing.
So,
and also, for build mode, this is another tip. If someone's gonna edit something, you gotta prepare. Because a good trick of mine is shoot them before
surprise
they
attack.
you.
That is how you use the surprise attack. Drop down on people and instantly kill them. By the way, do not third party because people will hate you for that. And yeah.
You get cyberbullied a lot.
Yeah. So yeah, don't third party. Unless you're surprise attacking.
Yep. Surprise attack is basically third partying, because another person could be shooting at the other. I just third partied there, you see?
Okay, next thing is, if you are in the pit and you really want to like get lots of kills for like the leaderboard, what you're going to want to do is get a minigun or a rocket launcher so you can just instantly do whatever you want.
On this channel, we are going to be playing some games and demonstrate the best landing spots we think for the season. The best look.
And comment down below, guys.
Other YouTubers, they can go themselves.
Okay, comment down below, guys, what you guys want us to do next. An XP video, a landing video, or just tips, like, for fighting.
In general, anything you want.
Yeah, anything you want, we will do.
You guys' creative matchmaking 1v1 ideas and see how good they are for us to put in the video.
Yeah, so if you want us to put your map in the video, just comment down the code for your map. Or just friend me or Gorilla Gaming so we can check out your maps.
He's annoying.
Shut up, Ethan.
So in 2 minutes the video will end, but of course we have something at the end to show you. That will be that you get like 20k XP every 15 minutes, because if you look up at the top right, it says 13 minutes, but whenever it's 15 minutes, it gives you like 20,000 XP, so be excited for that. And, surprise attack. That's a surprise attack, bro. Okay, so next tip is have like a sweat skin. Try finding like a sweat skin, because people will be scared of you, because people do not like sweats because they're too sweaty. Yeah, so like, for example, Dino or something.
Skin, people will probably come after you. If you think it's funny, you see a bot and copy the combo, they'll think you're a bot and headshot snipe you.
They will think you're a fellow bot, so please, do not use with default skins either.
But
okay.
If you want to show people that you are a sweat instead of telling them, in a way, you would want to probably put a default skin on and complete sweat on people. The thing that people get is getting killed by defaults. I'd rather pick that you put on another skin.
Okay, in 30 seconds we will be showcasing the 20,000 XP. I will zoom in on that and you will be able to see the stuff. This video should be edited properly. Leave a comment down below if it's not, because I'm curious if I did edit this, because I'm an all-alone YouTuber with my friends, and yeah, I don't have like a publisher or anything. But if you look at the top, we are about to get, look, 17,000 XP.
XP, everyone. Let's go.
Got 17,000 XP, and I just got a level up, guys. This is a really good map for leveling up, remember, guys. And
if you guys get it different, it's okay. I got 9,868. Ben got 7,000.
So that's going to be the end of today's video, and I'll see you all next time. Go to the next video if you're interested, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.